Digital by Default is the government strategy that is high up on the to-do list for government organisations. At the heart of the initiative is improving community engagement and how to make all new online services so straightforward and convenient to use that everyone who can use them will use them. The strategy also estimates to save the UK £1.7 billion per year collectively starting from April 2014. Government organisations span many departments, each with very different services. Yet Microsoft Dynamics can meet the challenges of delivering a wide variety of different kinds of digital by default services in each case. Let's see how, using 3 everyday examples. Fly tipping, graffiti, and potholes are a public nuisance, but now they can be reported by any citizen anywhere using a simple phone app. When the job is completed, the person who reported the issue receives a courtesy notification. This makes them more likely to use the service again and results in tidier streets and fewer complaints. But more importantly, the citizen knows they are making a difference. Microsoft Dynamics is helping patients to self-monitor and much more conveniently manage their own condition. For example, patients are reporting changes in their healthcare status remotely using their smartphones and computers, without needing to visit a doctor or healthcare provider. This new type of relationship with patients has the capacity to identify health issues more quickly and to improve the long-term health of patients while lowering the cost of patient care. The same mobile technology makes it possible to use Microsoft Dynamics for members of the public to report a crime online. From a citizen perspective, members of the public are easily able to report a crime and then keep track of it, making people feel more engaged. From a public sector perspective, it reduces the time spent by police officers completing administration tasks, allowing them to spend more time focused on operational activities. Such benefits are typical. So what does this mean for public sector organisations and their customers?
We have completely changed our outlook on what we deliver, putting the customer at the forefront of what we deliver. Whether they get their services on a face-to-face basis, or picking up the phone and ringing in, or whether they actually go onto the internet and get that service for themselves. They're using the same tools as their own staff are doing. And there is significant savings in doing that, of course. If you do a face-to-face service delivery, it's about £16 per event. If you do it over the phone, it's about £1.60, and if you do it by the internet, it's between 12 and 16 pence.
Microsoft Dynamics has the flexibility to provide easy-to-use and intuitive digital services as required by this government initiative. By unifying data and processes within a single system, so much more can be achieved with less resource, thus increasing customer satisfaction and reducing cost. With over 450 public sector customers in the UK, Microsoft Dynamics is committed to supporting this initiative and helping organisations make the transition to become digital by default.